Over the last couple of decades, Lower Parel has witnessed unprecedented growth, and Marathon has been at the forefront of it. Marathon FutureX is the brand's flagship commercial project at Lower Parel that offers class-leading Grade A offices. FutureX is at a location that has unmatched benefits. It's in the heart of a business district, has good road connectivity, and great social infrastructure around. It's a location that ticks all the right boxes and is accessible within an hour from anywhere in Mumbai. And that is crucial to attracting and retaining talent from around the city. But what really sets it apart is the phenomenal last-mile connectivity. Spaces at FutureX have been designed in a way that offers a lot of flexibility, and offices range from 2,500 square feet all the way to 2 lakh square feet. There are large column-free sections of up to 52 feet, which means every square foot can also be utilized to the maximum, and spaces can be designed exactly as per your requirement. Some of the biggest brands across industries like BFSI, retail, technology, software, and others have their offices at FutureX. FutureX is designed to be a workplace that people love coming to every day. Thanks to a high ceiling at more than 13.5 feet, offices look incredibly open, spacious, and welcoming. The floor-to-ceiling windows allow plenty of natural light and open up the office to fantastic views around. The building has thoughtful amenities like a cafe, a restaurant, an ATM, a daycare center, and an outdoor event space. There are also multiple sky gardens for employees to take a walk, enjoy their breaks, or just de-stress and relax. FutureX, with its resplendent glass facade, is an iconic landmark that's identifiable from miles away. The large covered drop-off zone for cars eases crowd even at peak hours. The property also has more than 1,200 car parks with valet facility, and that makes parking for employees or visitors absolutely hassle-free. Step inside the compound and the glass box entrance, triple height lobby, exquisite marble flooring, all make for a stunning sight. Ample high-speed elevators cut waiting times to get to the offices. Over 7,000 employees step into FutureX every day. The project has been designed keeping the workforce's convenience at the core. Marathon FutureX is a gold-rated green building as per the Indian Green Building Council (IGBC), and a lot of thought has gone into ensuring environmental sustainability. A cutting-edge VRV air conditioning system results in cost savings of up to 55%, while also ridding the external facade of typical outdoor units. Extensive solar studies were conducted to understand and adapt the structure to dynamic heating patterns. FutureX also has an STP setup, resulting in 30 to 50% water savings. The critical services at FutureX are taken care of via a state-of-the-art building management system. The security and facilities teams monitor and control the fire safety, electrical safety, and lift safety systems in the building from a single control center. Marathon uses intelligent construction technologies that ensures structures are rock-solid, leak-proof, and built to last. Modern engineering practices like the aluminium formwork technology have also been used. Double-glazed laminated glass has been utilized for high safety performance and excellent heat and sound insulation. Every single aspect of FutureX has been designed to be smart, purpose-driven, and world-class. And that is what makes FutureX the address for your business.